In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use aggregate function in Microsoft Excel. The aggregate function is a very useful Excel formula that can perform calculations like sum, average, count, max, min, and large, while also giving you more control over what Excel should ignore. For example, it can ignore hidden rows, errors, or even other aggregate and subtotal results. That makes it more flexible and more powerful than using a basic sum or average formula on its own. To begin, create a simple data table in Excel. This practice table should be easy to recreate and is perfect for learning how the aggregate function works. Once your table is ready, you can start using the function to calculate different results from the same sales range. First, let's calculate the total sales. Click an empty cell, such as B8, and type this formula, equals aggregate, open parenthesis, 9, 0, B2 through B6, then close parenthesis. Press enter. The result should be 8200. In this formula, the number 9 tells Excel to use the sum function, while the 0 means Excel should not ignore anything in the selected range. This is a great way to understand the structure of aggregate. Next, calculate the average sales. Click another empty cell, for example B9, and type equals aggregate, open parenthesis, 1, comma, B through base, close parenthesis. Then press enter. The result should be 1640. Here, the function number 1 tells Excel to return the average of the selected values. After that, find the highest sales value. Click another empty cell, such as B10, and enter equals aggregate, open parenthesis, 4, 0, B2 through B6, close parenthesis. Press enter and the result should be 2000. In this case, the number 4 represents the max function. Then, find the lowest sales value. Click another empty cell, like B11, and type equals aggregate, open parenthesis, 5, 0, B2 through B6, close parenthesis. Press enter. The result should be 1200. The function number 5 tells Excel to return the minimum value in the range. One of the biggest advantages of aggregate is that it becomes especially useful when you're working with filtered lists, hidden rows, or data that may contain errors. Because of that, it's a powerful tool for building cleaner reports and dashboards. This simple practice table is a great way to get comfortable with the syntax and behavior of the aggregate function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.